Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Are you looking for a powerful, versatile, and modern cordless vacuum cleaner from a trusted brand? We're going to dive into Samsung Jet series, especially Jet 85, Jet 75, and Jet 60 models. We're going to break down the key features, key differences between Samsung Jet 85, Jet 75 and Jet 60 cordless stick vacuum cleaners. Samsung Jet 85 is the most powerful vacuum in Samsung Jet lineup. It uses a Hexa jet motor capable of delivering up to 210 watts of suction. This makes it the most powerful vacuum of the three. It has a 5-layer filtration system that captures microdust, including particles as small as 0.3 microns. This makes it suitable for homes with allergy sufferers. The Jet 85 weighs 2.58 kilograms. It includes an LCD screen on the handle that displays the current suction mode, battery life, and any maintenance alert such as clogs or filter changes. The battery offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on the lowest setting with non-motorized tool. In a typical use with the motorized floor head, it provides about 40 to 45 minutes. The battery is removable and can be replaced with a spare to double the runtime. Includes accessories are Jet dual brush, anti-tangle pet tool, a long crevice tool, and elbow tool for hard to reach areas, and a wall-mounted charging station. The Jet 85 does not include LED headlights on the floor brush. The Jet 85 is recommended for pet owners, people with large homes, and users who want maximum suction power, a premium digital display, and advanced tools. Now we're going to talk about Samsung Jet 75. This is a mid-range model in the Jet series. It has a digital inverter motor that delivers up to 200 AV of suction, which is slightly less than the Jet 85 but still more than enough for all standard home cleaning tasks. It includes the same 5-layer filtration system that captures microdust. The body weight is 2.8 kilograms, which is slightly heavier than Jet 85 but still easy to maneuver. The Jet 75 typically feature a digital LED display, not a full LCD screen, which show power level and maintenance alert. The battery life is also 60 minutes on low power with non-motorized tools. With a motorized head, run time is typically around 40 to 44 minutes. Many versions of the Jet 75 include a secondary battery in the box, effectively double the run time to up to 120 minutes. These versions are usually labeled as Jet 75 complete. The Jet 75 usually comes with turbo action brush, soft action brush for hard floors, a mini motorized pet tool, a combination tool, and a flexible crevice tool. Some bundles also include Samsung Clean Station, which automatically empty the dustbin into a bag when docked. The Jet 75 is recommended for users who want a powerful, versatile vacuum for all floor types. It is especially good for homes with both carpets and hard floors. The complete version is best for users who need long cleaning sessions or prefer the Clean Station's hygienic disposal system. The Samsung Jet 60 is the entry-level model in the Jet vacuum series. It uses the same digital inverter motor as the Jet 75, delivering up to 200 AV of suction. It includes the same 5-layer filtration system. It has the same general body design, weight as the Jet 75 at approximately 2.8 kilogram. However, Jet 60 does not include digital display. It also comes with fewer accessories than the Jet 75 or Jet 85. Most versions include only the Jet Fit brush, a basic multi-surface head, a crevice tool, a combination tool. It does not include pet specific brushes or clean station. The battery runtime is the same as the other model, up to 60 minutes on low power, but about 40 to 45 minutes with a motorized head. J60 is recommended for users with small homes or apartments, those who clean mainly hard floors, or anyone who wants a lower cost cordless vacuum and does not require extra features, a digital screen, or advanced accessories. You can choose Jet 85 if you want most powerful suction with LCD screen, advanced accessories, and excellent pet hair remover. You can also choose Samsung Jet 75 if you want strong cleaning performance, dual batteries, and optional clean station support at a lower price than the Jet 85. You can choose Samsung Jet 60 if you want a simple, effective cordless vacuum with strong suction and filtration, and you don't need a digital display or advanced tool. All three models of Samsung vacuum cleaners offer strong performance, but they differ in features, accessories, and suitability based on home size and users' need. These vacuum cleaners deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.